So during a normal Maine winter, if there were snow squalls in the forecast, it would be worth mentioning because if you get caught in one, it's not fun. But this winter, it's like snow squalls. We have snow squalls. Cue up the band.
Seriously,
right?
It's been a snooze fest for the last.
There it is. Oh my goodness.
Oh no! What is that sound? I haven't heard it like twice this year.
Yeah, we haven't heard it
I mean,
much.
it's been such a snooze fest these last like 10 days, 10 days to 2 weeks. This evening, though, could be a little spicy with some of these snow showers and squalls moving through. A lot of the ones we saw last night are sort of falling apart. They have left behind some coatings. You might have to just do a quick windshield wipe. That's about it. But some flurries around Augusta right now and some more moving on the west side of Penobscot Bay, right over Lincolnville and Camden. And they're falling apart as they approach the islands. But they'll flare up again after dark tonight. Temperatures 20 to 25, not as cold as yesterday. In fact, there are no negative numbers up north or in the mountains. And yesterday we had several, so it's not too bad outside. This warm front right here is inducing the flurries and snow showers. It'll turn quiet though most of the day with some partial sun. And then here's the cold front that'll spark some of those squalls this evening. And a squall is kind of like a summer thunderstorm, just without the rain. It has snow with it. So it's intense, but brief, but still capable of dropping, an inch or maybe more. They historically have been able to drop 1, 2, 3 inches of snow in 20, 30, 45 minutes, something like that. And then they move on and things improve, dramatically, just as dramatically as when they moved on in. So any snow showers or flurries kind of leave us this morning. Partial sun expected midday, seasonable, and no wind again. So if you have outdoor plans at all, you're going to go take a hike through the woods or do a little cross-country skiing or alpine skiing, whatever it is, today's great for it. Then this evening, here comes that line, and you can see it right here. Snow showers, and embedded within them will be these intense snow squalls. They're like brief whiteouts. If you're driving after dark this evening, I want to caution you, if you get caught in one of these, pull over to the side of the road for 10, 15 minutes until it passes. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to see anything. Now, for most of us, we only see coatings for them, but there can be, and probably will be, some locally higher amounts. As I just mentioned, historically, they can do that. Later on tonight, though, a little trough will set up on the down east coastline, and that could focus some more small accumulations down there, which we'll chat about in a sec. Here are your highs today. Not too bad, a little bit above the average, 30 to about 35. Even the mountains are close to 30 degrees this afternoon. Here's that trough late tonight, tomorrow morning. We've been talking about it all week, that area of convergence, and it looks like it'll set up probably in extreme eastern Washington County and over near the Bay of Fundy for tomorrow. The rest of us clear out tomorrow, and all weekend long it is windy and it is cold with wind chills in the single digits and teens from start to finish. Next storm next week has a lot of moisture with it, but it looks like this high will suppress it and keep that storm track pretty far south of us. I'd be surprised if we get anything out of it, but it's still a long way off. Can't write it off just yet. Here are the coatings to an inch from this evening's snow squalls and snow showers. There's the local enhancement, though, on the down east coastline from that inverted trough. So I put together a little map for you. Maybe it's 2, 3 inches out here. Most, though, get about an inch or so. Mountains in the highest elevations will get a little bit more, too. And that's over a 36-hour period. But still, enough to get some plows out in a few communities. Marine forecast, gale watches are up for the weekend. Today, not bad on the water. We've got 1 to 3 footers and light winds. Partly to mostly cloudy, scattered snow showers and flurries, 30 to 35. 20s tomorrow after those morning snow showers on the down east coastline leave us. We'll clear out, and the rest of the weekend is sunny, but it's ineffective sun. That wind chill will be nasty on Sunday especially. Monday, nice, mostly sunny. Tuesday, that storm looks like a miss, and therefore it stays storm-free deep into next week, approaching the end of the month, actually.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks, Todd.